Hello, good morning student. Welcome you all to the home mentoring session of business study. We were doing directing, and in the directing, dear children, we have covered the three elements of directing. In this video, we will do the fourth element, and it's a very important element for the management of any organization as well as in the human life. It's a very important element, and that is communication. I think everybody has heard about the communication. Communication plays a very important and big role in each and every one's life, in each and every organization, in each and every relation, emotional relation or the professional relations, or for giving the instruction. It is a very important topic in the life. The person whose communication skill is good, he can be successful. And for that, dear children, communication skills cannot be improved unless and until knowledge is not improved. If someone is having something in themselves, then they will be able to communicate. जब कुछ होगा ही नहीं, कुछ information ही नहीं होगी, knowledge ही नहीं होगी, then communication is not possible. So dear students, in your future life, it is a very important role, and this is the time you can improve your communication by reading more and more and by getting more and more knowledge, because this is the time you can imbibe maximum knowledge. You have maximum learning skill in this age. इस टाइम जो भी आप पढ़ोगे, जो भी याद रखोगे, you can retain for the whole life, and that will help you in the communication. And communication, as you know, plays a very important role. We are studying in the management communication. Now we come to the point. What is communication? Communication, converting, exchanging the ideas, creating the ideas, exchanging the information, sharing the information, expressing their feelings, telling the facts, expressing their views, which gives us a critical thinking. When we have to speak, we think, and when we think more and more, we come to the conclusion. So communication means exchange of ideas between one or two, or between one and many. It can be one way, it can be two-way communication. Communication can be done from one to many. For example, you are watching movie on the TV. So this communication is done at the mass level. You are reading the newspaper. This means you are communicating. Newspaper is telling the information, and they are communicating to the mass at a single time. Now we come to before explaining the importance of the communication, we should know how the communication is done. What is the procedure of the communication? So, dear children, now we come to the communication process. It is the same. It is a process of creating and sharing ideas, information, views, facts, feeling among the people to reach a common understanding. Common understanding here means कि जो एक person अपने ideas को किसी को share करना चाहता है, दूसरा भी उसको same way से understand करे. जब same level आ जाता है understanding का, that is common understanding. If you want to say something to another person and he is not getting anything, that will not be called as a effective communication. Effective communication तभी होगा जब both sender और receiver का common understanding हो जाएगी. Now we come to the procedure. We include 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 steps in the communication. Sender. We will do it one by one. Sender. Who is the sender? If I am communicating you the lecture, it means I want to tell you the meaning of communication. Here I am the sender. I am the source of the communication. So sender or the communicator generates the message and conveys it to the receiver. Next, message. Now, what is message? What I want to convey to you, my idea, my information. Today I want to convey to you the importance and the process of communication. So what is the communication message? Message means I want to share the importance of communication as well as the process of communication. Next we come to encoding. अब क्या होता है encoding? It's a very important. Encoding, how I am communicating to you. I am communicating to you with the help of this video. I am using some words. I am using the PPT. I am doing the gestures, but you can't see the gestures. When I give the lecture in the class, I use the words. I use the picture. I write something on the blackboard. And with the help of my gestures, you understand the concept. So, encoding means कि message आपने बनाया और आपने लिख दिया और उसको अच्छे से एक्सप्रेस नहीं किया, then communication will not be effective. So, how that message is conveyed with the help of words, pictures and gesture, that is called encoding. Now we come to media. How I have transmitted my message to you. I have transformed my message to you with the help of PPT, with the help of internet, with the help of WhatsApp. So, this is the media. Now we come to the decoding. Decoding क्या होता है कि मैंने आपको जो मैसेज दिया, in which words you understood, in which gestures you understood, कैसे आपने understood किया है, and who are the receiver? You are the receiver to whom I want to send a message. Now, how you understand? I should take the feedback from you. And then the last is feedback. In the class, we can ask you, dear students, if there is any doubt, and you gives the doubt, you tells me the problems and I explain it. So this is what? This is the feedback. So, communication is not completed unless and until proper feedback is not taken. I think the idea of communication is clear to everyone. Now, we come to the importance of communication, basis of coordination. Dear students, we are studying the communication in the management. और management का क्या goal होता है? To get maximum profits. And for getting that profit, for achieving their goal, what is required? Lots of person and lots of resources are working together. Then there is a need of coordination. How coordination can be built? It can be helpful only with the help of communication. Communication does not mean कि orally communication किया जाता है. Communication can be done in the shape of pictures, in the shape of written forms. जैसे हमने organizing structure बनाया, उसमें अलग-अलग departments बनाए. That is also the way of communication. In that department we have created the post. और जब हमने post बनाई, in chronological order, आपको एक sequence दिया from top to bottom, तो everybody understood कि who is the boss and who is the subordinate. So, it helps them to make the coordination among all the employees in the various departments. Now, we come to the second point of importance, fluent working. Manager coordinates the human and physical element of an organization to run it smoothly and efficiently, and it is not possible without the proper communication. Basis of decision making, क्या करना है? Unless and until you will not convey, then decision cannot be taken. So, at the time of taking the decision, the proper communication is required. Proper messages are required, proper data is required, and that can be communicated through the communication ways. It may be written, it may be oral. I have told you earlier also. Next we come to the boost morale of the employee. Good communication, dear students, good communication always helps the worker to work more and more effectively. It also improves the relation between the human, कि आप किससे बात कर रहे हो, किस टोन में बात कर रहे हो, what is the choice of your word, how you motivate the employees, how you scold the employees, how you tell the work, आप कैसे किसी को communicate करते हो, that helps to increase the morale of the employees. So this is a very very important thing कि organization में खाली आप physical resources से काम नहीं कर सकते, काम किसने करना है, human resources में, और every human being need some type of recognition, और recognition के लिए you have to communicate. If manager is not recognizing the employees with the good words, with motivating them, then the goals cannot be achieved. And it also helps to improve the relation between the different employees by lessening the gap of communication. कि अगर हम एक दूसरे से प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व ही नहीं करते हैं, प्रॉब्लम को डिस्कस ही नहीं होता है, then frictions will be more and it can be solved only through the communication. Increases managerial efficiency. Manager conveys the target. जब मैनेजर अपने एम्प्लॉइज को ये बताएगा कि आपका ये टारगेट है, जब तक वो ये टारगेट नहीं कम्युनिकेट करेगा, गोल्स अचीव नहीं होंगे. जब उसको टारगेट मिल गया तो ही विल बी एबल टू अचीव दैट टारगेट वेरी एफिशिएंटली. इंक्रीजेस कोऑपरेशन एंड ऑर्गेनाइजेशनल पीस. अगर कम्युनिकेशन गैप है, कोऑपरेशन बनानी है, म्यूचुअल अंडरस्टैंडिंग बनानी है, तो देयर शुड बी द गुड कम्युनिकेशन अमंग द employee as well as management. It will leads to industrial peace in the factory. Thank you very much.